In version 19.3, Dynamic Web TWAIN brings back the OCR add-on. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple web application and show you how to use the OCR feature. To get started, you'll need to download the Dynamic Web TWAIN SDK and the OCR add-on from the Dynamsoft website. Once the download is complete, install the SDK and extract the OCR package. While the installation is in progress, let me briefly explain what Dynamic Web TWAIN is and why it's used. Dynamic Web TWAIN is a JavaScript SDK designed for document scanning in web applications. It allows users to scan documents directly in the browser and work with images in real time. In most document workflows, Dynamic Web TWAIN handles everything before OCR. It takes care of document acquisition, image management, and basic image processing. The OCR add-on works on top of this core functionality. Once images are captured or loaded by Dynamic Web TWAIN, the OCR add-on can extract text from those images. All OCR processing happens locally on the end user's device. No images or text data are uploaded to the cloud, which makes it suitable for applications with strict data security requirements. During installation, the OCR runtime and model files are automatically copied into the Dynamic Web TWAIN service folder. You can verify this by checking the installation directory. After installation, copy the resources folder into your project directory. At this point, you're ready to start coding. The next step is to configure a license in the config file. You can apply for a license using the link in the comments. After you receive the license key, simply replace the existing one in the file. After that, you can start developing with the help of our user guide. In the documentation, we provide step-by-step instructions as well as sample code. You can follow the guide and use the sample code directly in your own project. In this video, we've already built a simple web application based on those examples and APIs. Now let's take a look at the demo application. As you can see, the application is divided into a few sections. The first section is the input area. It uses the Dynamic Web TWAIN core module to scan documents or load images from local files. The second section is the processing area. This is where we work with the OCR add-on. Before running OCR, we call getInstalledOCRInfo API to make sure the OCR add-on is loaded correctly. Then we use DetectPageOrientation to automatically correct page rotation, which helps improve OCR accuracy. After that, we call the Recognize API to perform OCR on the selected pages or on all scanned documents at once. Multiple languages are supported, including English, French, Spanish, German, and more. The final section is the output area. Here we save the OCR results using the Save to Path API. The OCR results can be exported as plain text files or as PDF documents. You can generate a text-only PDF or a searchable PDF that keeps the original image and adds an invisible OCR text layer on top. Now let's run the demo and see the complete workflow. I'll scan a document and the pages appear in the first viewer. Next, I'll detect the page orientation and run OCR on all pages. Page orientation detection is optional. If your scanned documents are already clean and properly aligned, you can skip this step. Once the OCR process is complete, the recognized text is displayed in the second viewer. From here, we can save the results in the desired format. To summarize, version 19.3 with the OCR add-on allows developers to build web-based OCR solutions with minimal effort. It removes the need for third-party OCR services, keeps all data on the local device, and integrates seamlessly into existing web applications. If you're a developer and want to try this feature, check out our documentation and sample code. You can also explore the online demo to see it in action. That's it for this video. If you'd like to dive deeper, take a look at our documentation and try the sample code yourself. In future videos, we'll cover more advanced topics, including configuration options and real-world use cases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.